Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am here with the new gaming script of Casino Gaming Script. This is very good and secure platform. If you want to buy this script from us, click the WhatsApp link in the description below and come on my WhatsApp. We will provide this script at very low price compared to market, and we need your complete trust and give you a complete money back guarantee. First of all, I will show you a complete demo of this website. You can see a beautiful page of this home page. You can modify this homepage from the admin panel. Then you can see a sign up and sign in option. Then you can see total user of this website, total winner of this website, total deposit of this website, and total withdrawal of this website. You can also change from the admin panel. Then you can see there are awesome games: head and tail, rock paper scissors, spin wheel, number guessing, dice roll, card fighting, number slot, pool number, Roulette, casino dice, and any other game you can see. Then you can click here and play now this game. Then you can see about section of this website. You can also modify about section from the admin panel. You can click the learn more and go the about and read here. Then you can see why casino, why choose casino. There are awesome gaming, referral commission system, secure belting platform, invest and win, earn, quick response, and 26 plus payment gateway here. You can change this page from the admin panel. Then you can see a latest transaction of this website. You can modify according to you from the admin panel. You can see here latest transaction of this script. Then you can see buy ticket and get million of dollars for click. Then you can click the play now and play the game. Then you can see how casino works. First of all, win lottery, confirm lottery, pick number and choose lottery. You can see a frequently asked question. You can add your question from admin panel. Then you can see a referral commission of this website. Then you can read referral commissions from that. You can add your own referral commission from the admin panel. Then you can see what users say about casino. You can also modify this user overview from the admin panel. Then you can see our blog news. You can add your own blogs and articles from the admin panel. Then you can see a blogs of this website, beautiful blogs of this website. You can see a 21 plus payment method of this website: Visa, Stripe, and any other payment method. You can see. If you want to buy this script from us at very low price compared to market, contact on WhatsApp link. WhatsApp link in the description below. Come on my WhatsApp and contact me and I will give this script at very low price with complete money back guarantee. Here you can see we will come our admin panel. You can see an amazing dashboard of this script. You can see total user, total active users, email, unverified user, and any other dashboard you can see. Then you can see a referral commission. You can generate your own referral commission. So you can see a manage games option. You can come on my games and see here and edited games here and add your own game. Here you can see manage users. We click on all user. You can see all user of this website. You can change this user from the admin panel. You can see deposit of this website. We click on all deposit. Here you can see a deposit of this website. You can see all deposits. Then we can see a withdrawal of this website. You can see a withdrawal of this website. You can also change all dashboard from the admin panel. Then we will go to the settings. You can see general settings, and you can change title, currency symbol, and anything you can see. Then we can come our logo favicon. You can see a logo of this website. You can also change logo of and favicon from the admin panel. Then you can see payment gateways, manage templates, and any other things. If you want to buy the script from us, contact on WhatsApp link in the description below. I will provide this script at very low price compared to market.